Hi, Unbox Noah here. Here we have Sisu 2, Road to Revenge on 4K Steelbook. It has Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos on the 4K disc. On the Blu-ray it's Master Audio 5.1. Aspect ratio is 185. Runtime is 1 hour and 29 minutes. It says deleted scene includes international theatrical version and Finnish theatrical version only when choosing Finnish setup. Okay, let's take a look inside. Some tape here. There we go. So, semi-matte finish, beautiful. Spine. Backside. Beautiful. Got some disc art. 4K disc. And that is a triple layer, 100 gig. Different art on the Blu-ray. 50 gig disc. Inside art. The whole thing. Yes, that is Sisu, Road to Revenge on 4K Steelbook. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. So, bye bye.